So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, and it's still rainy cold weather here. So this time in today's video, I wanna show you our way of cooking our one of the best noodle soup here in the Philippines, a Filipino soup. This is a very perfect soup for the rainy weather or cold weather. It is called lomi, the chicken lomi. First is I wanna show you the all main ingredients, especially the chicken, the noodles. It is fresh Japanese ramen. This is the perfect noodles that used for the to make lomi. And then vegetable, carrots and cabbage, and also onion, garlic, onion leeks, oyster sauce, magic sarap seasoning, pork broth cubes, and especially black pepper, egg, and cornstarch. So, let's join my cooking, guys. So, first thing first is put the pan into the fire. I use firewood. So, we need to wait until the pan is heat. I put more woods. So the pan is already heat. I put oil. Oh, it's so smoky. And the next is the garlic and onion. It's smoky. This is the best flavor. The smoky. This is the best struggling when you cook using firewood. You might crying even though you're not you did not hard. Ouch. Next is the onion. Oh my god. Hopefully guys you join my cooking video vlog. Cooking video content. For those who willing to for those who willing to support my cooking video vlog, guys, you can send your support through my PayPal char to make more video cooking video content for ingredients, Charis. Yeah, I'm serious. And next is the chicken. We need to soak the chicken into the oil, garlic, and onion, and we need to wait until it's golden brown. Yeah. Until it's the chicken is tender. So we need to mix. Put garlic pepper, it's powder to make more taste. I know how to cook this one, guys, this kind of soup. Before, when I was single, when I was young, I worked in the restaurant Then the chef cook is he teach me how to cook this recipe, this mini. The special lumi, because this is the one of the best seller in the restaurant that I worked before. Especially when the people they drank, and after they drank they ate lomi. And then the next is the oyster sauce. Sashimi, only sashimi, oyster sauce. You know, guys, my dream is I have many more ingredients here in my house stock. Like a bottle of ingredients like oyster, soy sauce, oil, but I did not do it because I can afford only a sachet. To mix it, you need to mix. And then soy sauce. Then water. Wait, I will. Then water. And then the chicken broth cubes. Okay. Then I will add again black pepper, because more pepper, more delicious. I like the taste more peppery. And then the seasoning granules. Then I add salt. Oh, ano naman na. And we need to wait how few minutes until it's boiled. Oh guys, it's very windy here. The rain is stopped, but the wind is still here. Crackers. It's a fish crackers. So it's already boiled after a few minutes. I need to add the vegetable, the carrots, and the cabbage. But it's much better if there's green beans, like Baguio beans. But they don't have any available in the market, so that I cannot what it. Oh my God. Ayaw lagi siya. The vegetable is the next is the noodles. Uyo mo, stop fighting. The noodles. Noodles for the lomi. To wait until it's boiling again. Yeah, right. Cherries. So next is the egg. It is much better, guys, if there's a seafood. But I don't have seafood. Seafood is very pricey. And then the next is the cornstarch. Here, cornstarch. Wow. Perfect. Look. Wow. And then the last is the onion leeks. It's kuan only. It's a little bit only because this is what available in my stock. In my stock. Wow, it look good. Perfect. Let's try. I'll try the taste. Perfect. Perfect mess. Char. I need to transfer it into the bowl. Naman. Tarong nga, kapot. Ani ko, mami. Kamahak dili guniti. I will give some to my neighbor, guys. Because I cook a lot. Kaya, a lot. So it's already done. This is the finished product. Charcoal product. Oh my god, it's very hot. Look, guys. Bye-bye. See you on my next vlog, guys. And for those who willing to support my cooking video, you can send your support through my PayPal so that I will cook more cooking vlog, more menu, more recipe, more Filipino dish. Bye bye, guys. See you on my next video.